Everyone's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable and turn off specific applications on startup on your Windows 11 computer. This is easy to do. Just go on down to the search bar right here, and then type in Task Space Manager and click it. Otherwise, hit Control Alt Delete on your keyboard at the same time, and open up the Task Manager. And you can do some cool things under here, like go to Processes, and you can see your running applications right here. And you can go to them and go to End Task, and that should pretty much disable the application from running. Then we got Performances. We can see our GPU temperature. I use that often. And then we have Startup Applications. So we can go to this and then find the application we want to go ahead and disable. So let's find one under here, Spotify. Oh, this is already disabled. So you can see the status right here and the startup impact. So let's go to one more and see if we got anything enabled that we can disable. X, mouse button and control. We can go to that and we can disable that. I think I use that for my controller on my PC. So just go to it and then you have enable or disable right here. And then go to restart and restart your computer. And that application should not be starting up, and you should have more available resources on your computer now. So just go to Performances and check your CPU, memory, Wi-Fi, etc. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.